White clover, healing, metaphysics, and natural fertility in God's garden. I'm standing right here over a patch of white clover, one of the most overlooked but powerful plants God placed in the yard. Most people walk past this like it's nothing, but white clover has been used for generations for healing, nourishment, and restoring the land itself. On the physical side, white clover is known for detoxifying the body, calming inflammation, supporting the respiratory system, and helping the skin heal. It carries vitamins A, B, and C, along with minerals like calcium and magnesium, which is why it has been used in teas and washes for centuries. It strengthens the immune system, helps with circulation, and even has a gentle calming effect on the nerves. But plants don't just work on the physical. White clover has metaphysical benefits too. It represents purity, clarity, and alignment. It grows low to the ground, spreading quietly, reminding you that real power doesn't need height or noise. It covers the earth like a natural blessing, soft, humble, and consistent. In hoodoo and in ancestral practice, plants that spread and root themselves like this are seen as stabilizers. They bring peace, grounding, and order to the space they occupy. And then there's the part most people never think about. White clover is a natural fertilizer. This plant pulls nitrogen out of the air and puts it back into the soil. That means it feeds the land without chemicals, without bags of store-bought fertilizer, without anything but what God already provided. When you see clover growing, you're looking at the land healing itself. You're looking at restoration. I also planted some red clover in another section of the yard. I'm not showing it today because it's still in its early growth stage, but it's coming in. Red clover has its own set of benefits, and when it matures, I'll teach on that too. Everything in this yard is intentional. Everything is part of the stewardship. White clover is a reminder that healing is already in the land. Fertility is already in the land. Clarity is already in the land. You just have to slow down long enough to see it. This is how you build a garden that's not just physical, but spiritual. This is how you honor what God placed under your feet.